Okay, we got here a 2005 Toyota Highlander. Car was fine, driving fine. We parked it. The next day we try to start the car. Cranks, no start. So automatically thought the fuel pump went bad or car has no gas. So we filled it up with gas and still the same thing. So to confirm that it's a fuel issue, we just remove this piece here from the air box and we sprayed some starting fluid in there and cranked it and the car started. So before you go ahead and start changing the fuel pump, which is under the seat in the back, passenger driver side rear, 4 bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Take this seat out and put it on the other side. It's under the carpet right here. So what we had before is the car just cranks. Show you what it's doing. We get in it and nothing. As you can tell, it's a fuel delivery issue or spark. So there is no fuel fuse here or relay, but they do put here, Toyota put here the AFI fuse, which you gotta check here and make sure it's not blown. If the fuse is good, we have the AFI relay here. This is the horn, this is the EFI. I just removed it so I can show you that the car will not start. I basically just swapped them. This is the horn, this is the EFI. You don't need the horn immediately, so what I did is just took this one, put it here, and basically just swapped them and try to crank the car and see if anything happens. If the car ends up starting, the AFI relay is bad. If not, further diagnosis need to be made at the fuel pump, removing the plug, check there is power and everything. If there is power and ground with the key on, that means your pump is bad. So now we're gonna prime this and see what happens. And the car starts. The car is running now, and I'll show you what happens when that goes bad. So if this thing goes bad, if this thing burns out, your car stalls. So here it is. It's AFI relay, which should be in the box here. Yep, right here. That's the AFI relay. That's the horn. That's the AFI fuse, which should be the 20 amps. This one, not this, but this one, the 20 amp. That's the fuse. Check the fuse has power, swap those two and see what happens. Alright, I hope this helps and good luck.